Hey guys, what's up? It's Brianna. So I've been spending a lot of my time on Pinterest and Instagram and vsco. Sometimes I get into moods where I'm just really into fashion, and I've been seeing a bunch of these frayed hem jeans and I'm obsessed with them. I think they were like a trend more like a year or two ago, but you know what, I'm bringing them back. I don't care. Every time I look for them, they're either super expensive or I just can't find them, and I don't like buying things online because then I don't know if they fit. I'm just not an online shopper. I like to go into the store and try things on. I've decided I'm just going to make them myself. So I watched basically one video on this and I'm just gonna go off of that. Yeah, I'm just hoping that these turn out right and not terribly, because that would just suck. I want them to be actually wearable. It would be so cute. I can just picture the outfits. I have these American Eagle jeans. They've just been in my closet sitting there. I'm pretty sure I got them in like high school. They're just regular jeans. I just haven't worn them because they aren't really my size anymore. They're kind of big around the waist, and I have other jeans just like this that I like the wash better and they're the right size. So these just have been sitting around. They're so nice. They're a good pair of jeans. If anything, I would have given them to somebody I know, but I'm just attached and I'm going to give myself a reason to wear them again. So once I do this, hopefully they'll be wearable and I can just put a belt on. Oh, it would be cute with like maybe a chain belt or something. I'd have to buy one first, but that would be cute, right? This is in no way a tutorial type of video. This is more like me trying and me possibly failing. Now that that's out there, let's get into this video. Okay, so I'm here with my jeans. They are kind of long on me, even though I'm pretty sure they're like the size short. Yeah, they're size 6 short. So from the videos, what I do first is I cut off this seam part. I'm scared because I know I'm going to mess this up. I could have fabric scissors, but I don't have those. I could ask my grandma, but that's just a lot of work. Ow. This one's kind of messed up. This one looks fine. I'm scared. Now they're just like cut off jeans. Okay, now that I've cut this part, you're supposed to cut like, oh wait, never mind. You're supposed to measure them the height you want them to be, like how far up you want the fray to be. So I think I want them kind of high, maybe like 2.5. Yeah, I mean, if they're not long enough, I can always make them long. Oh, what am I doing? I can always make them longer, but you can't make them shorter. I'm hoping that they're even, because if they're crooked, will you be able to notice? I'm not sure, but I don't know if you can see my lines that I made. I made them 2.5 inches up. So this is where the intense part comes up, where I actually have to cut my jeans. Well, I did. Look. So there's like nothing specific about how like thick they are. Thick. So I'm just going to cut them. Oh gosh. I'm just hoping this turns out the way I want it to turn out and not bad. Like, what if I completely hate these after I'm done? Or what if I just look like a cowgirl? I'm hoping for the best. Hoping for the best. What? Oh, I see. It's like the inseam. I cut it into 2 different parts. I was gonna zoom in, but I'm just gonna have to edit a zoom in because I don't want to mess this up. There it is. It's very odd. think I'm making these pieces a little too thick. Like I started out really thin and now I'm making them so thick. I'm currently trying to cut the thick pieces into smaller pieces. I don't know how well it's going. People make this look a lot easier than it actually is to do. This is very time consuming. This is how it's looking. I made them really thin and I cut them in half, but I mean, does it look okay? You know what, I realized I didn't do the line on the back, so I should probably remeasure and do that. Okay, I kind of just messed that up a lot. The seam is like what messes me up. That's just not cute. Okay, I just cut out like the inseam part, so I'm hoping that it lays better. This part, you can't see what that looks like, but that part, oh no. This chunk just fell off. I think I'm starting to mess up more because I'm getting so impatient. This is taking forever. I'm sorry, I keep just getting so into the zone and I forget that I'm recording and I should probably speak, but then I'm going to mess up. Oh no. Okay. Well, that's what I'm talking about. Oh my god, I finished. Finally finished one side. I think it looks cool. I don't know. I'll just have to see after I'm done. And now I'm gonna do this one. I don't want to do this. Okay, I'm gonna do this one off camera so I don't waste all of my memory on just me cutting little strings on my jeans. I feel like a beauty guru being like, and I'll do the next side off camera. I'll see you when this one is all cut to shreds. So it's a little later because I just ate dinner. If there's anything on my face, I'm gonna be so mad. So I finished the other side, and this time I cut out the inseam first, and then I did both sides at the same time. It took basically half the amount of time it took me to do this one, but I still messed up a lot, and chunks fell off, but you know, that's as good as it's gonna get. So this is what they're looking like now that both sides are done. I think they look kind of cool. I hope they look cool on, because then if they don't look cool on, then I'm just gonna look like a loser. And now the next part is I have to throw them into the wash them so then they actually get frayed up and look at their prime. So I'm gonna do that and hope for the best. Okay, so now it's much later. It's like 7:30. I just got my jeans out of the dryer. They're kind of damp still because I got really excited and I just wanted to see what they look like. This is what they look like. Now they're more like twisted and turned, and they actually look pretty cool in my opinion. There are some like longer pieces that hang really low. Oh, that's because they're hanging on by a thread. But I think I'm just gonna trim it a little bit. Now I'm going to try them on and see if they actually look as good as they do right here. I'm nervous, but excited. So I finally finished the jeans. I'm gonna be honest, I don't really know if I like them. Every time I look at them, I think they're growing on me, but I think it's because I should have cut them shorter maybe, so then they would have gone higher up. But I don't know. I don't know if I like them how they are, or I'm not making any sense. But I think I like them. I think so. Comment down below how you feel about them, because I'm not really sure how I feel about them. Either tell me they're so amazing and beautiful, or don't tell me at all, because then I'll be sad. Spare my feelings. This kind of makes me want to do other DIYs on other jeans or anything. I saw these ones with like a bunch of stars. I know they're from LF, but they're like $80. And yeah, I don't think I have enough reasons to justify getting them, but I really want them. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, give it a like, comment down below, do all of that. I'll really appreciate it. So thanks for watching.